people. So this is my third video of the day, and I'm feeling very. Oh wow! Look at this. Okay. uh, I intend to do this whole series of reviews where I speak of these different, the good Netflix, uh, with movies that you can watch because, or web series or whatever. Because sometimes it's nice, right, to know these different, you know programs on Netflix or on Amazon Prime that you can watch. So on Netflix, there's this thing called there's this a series of episodes called Dating Around. It's about people who have been basically one lady who's every episode there are, I think, 6 episodes in all, and each episode features one either a lady or a man who's been set up with 5 different dates. Five, yeah, pretty much. And then they need to pick a date who they would want to, they probably can see a future with. It's so brilliant, yeah, people. So Dating Around, it is on Netflix. So do watch it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.